This is Craig with Ponics Haven. Thank you for joining with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to prune tomato plants. And this may not be exactly how everybody does it, but this is the way I was taught by a fella out of Valdosta, Georgia, that has a big old greenhouse. It's a self-sufficient greenhouse, hydroponics. He does 10 to 15 different tomato plants and grows them and sells them and does very good for himself. It's a self-contained greenhouse and just beautiful setup. And he taught me how he does it. So, and I'm going to show you today how I do it. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in and see if we can, down here on the bottom, if we can get it to focus. Right here we have, right here we have suckers. Some right here, and right here. So, first off, we're going to get rid of those suckers. You can pinch them off. I like to take a knife and just take your thumb and kind of just push them off. Okay? That's how you do it. And there's others, as you can see. Move up. There's several ones. You see, you got these little ones. You can just pinch it with your finger. Just turn this thing around so you can see. Now there is okay. We have one right here. Trying to find it. There it is. Okay. Well, this right here has turned, it was one. It was a sucker that has grown into, that is a big old sucker. I bought this plant just to show you how. Okay, let me zoom back a little bit. It's a huge sucker. You could take that and root it in some, put it in some water and it'll root. I made another video about that. You go check that out. But that is a wonderful one. But anyway, as you can see, this thing has fruit. I mean, not fruit, but the flowers on it. He taught me this. The gentleman that has the greenhouse, he said, now when you have fruit, you want that fruit to get the most nutrition that it can from the plant. And so what you do is you cut every limb that's below the fruit off. And I bet some folks are saying right now, oh Lord, don't do that. That's nonsense. They'll still grow. Yeah, they'll still grow tomatoes, but you are feeding everything below it too. So if you will cut everything off below it, you're not feeding it. So it all goes to the plant. And so what does that do? It makes the fruit bigger, more nutrition. Okay, this is where it goes to. All right. So there you have it. Wait, I'm going to leave that one on. But anyway, there you have it. We've got fruit on this one. Well, not fruit, but I don't know why I keep calling it fruit. Flowers there. We got flowers here. So everything below it has been taken off. So now they can get all the nutrition from it. Alright, so this is Craig with Aponics Haven, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to it, like it, comment, and I would appreciate it very much. You have a wonderful day. God bless you.